Hi, welcome to another robot tutorial video. Hi again, and here's another video tutorial to help you understand a few of the things you can do inside Photoshop's AI. Now, this is something that's been there before, but it's actually been improved over the latest few versions, and so I'm going to show you what's happened in this latest version. And it's about basically doing things to your image that you may want to apply. Now, for instance, you may remember I've done this image in a couple of other tutorials, and I removed the wires, and I've added a few objects, like I've added the bike, and I've added the little birds up here. But you'll notice it's got a very blue sky, which is common in Greece. You don't get that many clouds sometimes, and we just want to have some detail in there. We just want to give it a little bit of depth. One of the things you can do now is to change the background, which is quite simple in new AI operations inside Photoshop. Now what you do is you just simply go to your contextual menu bar here, and there's a little option. As long as you got any of these tools selected, especially the marquee tools, it says remove background. You press it, it does its magic. One thing it will do is it will take out a lot of the stuff that you want to keep as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to press shift on the mask just to bring back the whole picture, and I'm just going to draw around the area I want to keep. Like so. I'm going to do this quickly because obviously I'm going to rush the tutorial, but if you're doing it, you want to be able to do quite a good, decent job. So, okay, so let's just do that. Okay, now what I want to do is bring that back, and if I fill that area I just made with white, it should bring back the background. Okay, as I said, you can do it in more detail because it's still missing a few bits, but I just wanted to show you the idea. You notice this tree's gone as well, so I'm going to have to show you how to do that in a different tutorial, but this is just to give you the idea of how to do something with the background. Okay, now on the contextual menu bar, instead of going up here and finding where it says generate background, where it was before, it actually says generate background. Okay, so what we do is just press this simply, and we can just type in what we need. So I'm going to say dramatic, cloudy, storm front. Press generate. And we have more dramatic sky. Yeah, makes it a little bit more interesting, especially because it was a nice cold winter's day, so you'll notice a bit of snow there. But we'll get three options like normal, so you can go through the ones. So that gives a nice bit of depth because it's got shapes to it in the background. And finally, that's very dramatic. I quite like the first one. So once again, like the other one, you can generate similar. So if you like that one, you can just pump through some alternatives and you'll see if you'll actually make something a little bit better. It's okay. It's filled in the telephone pole, remember it's missing. It's not so nice. And that's terrible because the pole's terrible, so we can go back to the first one. Actually, saying that, I quite like this one. Okay, but the trees are missing, so we'll have to do that in a different way, which is to basically re-add them. Okay, but this is just to show you how to replace the sky. Obviously, if you were doing it, you'd take more concern over the masking and everything. But apart from that, this is how you can replace the sky in Photoshop. Thank you for watching the video, and please consider subscribing to my channel. And also press the notification bell so you're aware of when a new video has been uploaded. If you like the video, consider pressing the thumbs up icon, as well as possibly leaving a comment to tell me what you think. Also consider sharing the video on these sites, as well as follow me on these social media channels. Thank you again for watching.